thing, they tape it on the box, and away it goes. So that's actually not been too hard. But have you heard of the Zozo suit or Zuzu suit?
No, no, let's hear about it.
So Zozosuit, it's the brainchild of this billionaire. He's a Japanese billionaire. Let's see if I got his name. Usaku Maezawa.
Ooh,
And
say it again.
I said it wrong, so I shouldn't. But he started out as a punk drummer, and now he's the founder of Zozotown. And you may have heard about him in the news, where Elon Musk has wanted to send a private person up to the moon, and he's the guy that is paying
Yes,
Elon so that he can be the
yes.
first guy, and he wants to bring all these artists up with him. So that's this guy. Well, he had a problem when he wanted to buy clothes online. He says, first of all, I'm a small person. I'm smaller than your average human. And when he buys things online, they never fit. And he says for him, who has a more different body type than the average, he just had terrible experiences. So he created this Zozo suit or Zuzu suit. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Maybe you guys can tell us in the
Yeah.
comments below.
Someone tell us, please.
But it's this spandex suit. It's black and it has little white dots. And you put it on and it shows everything. It shows every chub, every love handle, every fold, everything in all of its glory. And you feel like an encased meat, like sausage or something walking around. And then you take your phone and you just use your phone app and you take a picture of it, and it measures the spaces between all the dots. It's like hundreds of these dots on your suit. And then it gives your measurements, your shoulders, your stomach, your hips, your like everything.
And then
And
it posted online for your family to see and
that's
Instagram.
right. It's on your Instagram account.
Unless you pay him $20, and that's why he's so rich.
And all of a sudden Facebook gets sleazy for you.
Yeah. I keep seeing people in a Zozo spandex suit on my Facebook.
Spandex suit, and they're not flattering. But what's neat about it is people who use it, this has made him a billionaire because
Really?
now you get clothing specifically made for you, not for your body type, not for your gender, but for you, Dan, for me, Matt. And I think that's great. So I'd be tempted to try it, get a little spandex suit.
Some genderless clothes being said.
So it's supposed to be pretty cool. So anyways, I,
It
I
fits
think
so
that
well. Yeah.
that could be the future of buying clothes online, but I agree with you. I like to try things on. I like to see how it fits. And I like the idea that you can always return it if you got an issue with it.